Today we've heard from a number of speakers and we have done a tour of the wonderful building, but the most important thing of all, we've been able to showcase the inspirational new spaces for our students.
I think the word is wow. It's absolutely fantastic to see this space transformed from something that has got rich heritage within the town and within the region. It's been really interesting today listening to what opportunity this will provide for not just the people of Barnsley but the wider region.
Obviously, when you're involved in a project day to day as we have been, you don't always have time to step back and appreciate what we can actually see here today. But I have been doing more of that over the last few weeks, and to get students in here on Monday this week, the most important milestone that we're now delivering HE in our University Centre.
Barnsley College, the place to be. This is the University Centre for the Barnsley people. What a fantastic building. I'm so proud of the hard work that all of the teams involved in it have gone to. Such an inspirational space for our communities in Barnsley. Proud moment for me.